feel too technical, I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, we're going to do an unboxing of the Tech21 Evoclear for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I also ordered this from Best Buy the other day. So, as you can see, it says multi-drop phone protection. Nothing at the bottom really. On this side, it says multi-drop phone protection. It says Tech21. It says Evoclear. On the back here, it says impact protection, 12 feet. Built-in hydrogen protection, crystal clear transparency, easy apply. So we're going to unbox this like so. Pull it up like this. If it wants to come off, like that. So this is the case. It's a two-part case, of course. Side. I like Tech21's presentation, the box presentation. It's nice that it just slides down. You don't have to worry about having an unboxing knife to try to open up the box. I don't know if that'll sit there, but we'll just lay it down, like we'll just move this out of the way. But this is what the box looks like. So now onto the case. I also have this exact same case on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, but they actually sent this one out to me. But since I like that one so much, I was like, I'm gonna go pick up the Tech21 for my Z Fold 3. And as you can see, it does have strips for adhesive strips on there, which is very nice. So I'm gonna pick up my Z Fold 3 here, and we're going to place this on the device. Pick up your Z Fold 3, place it in like so. You want to make sure everything lines up. You might want to wipe your phone off if you need to. I don't need to. As you can see, the case does already have fingerprints on it. But that's what happens when it's a clear case. So that's what the back looks like on the device. Make sure that it is all the way on there, because it wasn't at first. Okay, so now that's on. I want to make sure it looks like it's not fitting all the way, but let me see here. I don't think I have it on right, but you see that right there? I don't think that's all the way on there, but maybe it is. Maybe I'm just tripping. But now that's the back. So now you want to do the same with the front of the case. Slide it right on. Make sure it gives you a nice little click. So once you have your case on your device, this is what the phone will look like in the case if you have the clear one. So that's nice. As you can see, the hinge, yep, it's open, and my hinge is very dirty. You have a nice lip around the top. I just recommend you have a screen protector on your zfold3, but you have a nice lip. You have a nice cutout. You have nice cutouts at the bottom, as you can see. USB, the speaker. On the side, you have easy access to your fingerprint scanner and your volume up and down button. You have a nice cutout for your camera. It's nice. When you open up the device, you have a nice lip around the device. As you can see, you have a nice lip, so if you place it down like this, you do not have to worry about your screen being touched. But I do recommend you still have a screen protector on both screens. I recommend a glass screen protector on the outer, and then if you can find a thin glass screen protector for the inside, that's good, but I just have film on. So now let's see if it has wireless charging, which I believe it should. Put this on my wireless charger. As you can see, it says wireless. It says it's charging, but I'm gonna show you that it's doing it. When that light lights up blue, that lets you know that it has wireless charging. So I believe if your phone dropped, I believe this will protect it, but don't drop your phone. Be careful with your device. Please be careful with your devices, especially the zfold3, because this is expensive. But overall, this is a nice look and a nice feel. I'm just going to have to see if this is supposed to go over or not, because this doesn't look like it fits all the way. And down here at the bottom, it's fitting perfectly. Everywhere else, it fits perfectly except for that edge right there. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.